Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be discussing something really very beautiful about yoga, something which is an essential part of my yoga practice, and that is meditation. So I'll be discussing with you all one technique or one hack which I use to get into that meditative state. So sit onto your mat, come in a comfortable position. It could be anything. You can be lying down onto your mat, you can be sitting in this thunderbolt position, or you can be sitting in cross-leg position, whatever feels comfortable for you. Make sure your back is relaxed. Alright, so how do I get into the meditative state is I focus on my breathing. So as you inhale, as you take a deep inhalation, just imagine as if you're absorbing all the goodness, all the positive energy from the sun, from the mother nature, and then just hold your breath for a few seconds. Just absorb that energy, and as you exhale, make sure you exhale very slowly, and then your exhalation makes you feel as if you're releasing all your stress, your anxieties, all the negative thoughts and any negative energy that you're holding in the body. So let it release, let it go. So that's how I meditate. I take about 10 to 15 minutes to focus on my. So here I would also like to tell you the technique of breathing. How do you actually inhale and exhale? So they always say it should be very slow. Take about 8 seconds to inhale that goodness, to inhale that positive energy. Hold it for about 5 seconds and then take 16 seconds to exhale and to release that negative energy. So ideally one breath should take about 30 seconds. So you inhale for a good 8 seconds, then you hold for 5 seconds, and then you exhale for good long 16 seconds. So you need to have that control over your breathing. You need to have that stability in your breathing to get into that meditative state, and that comes with practice, of course. So go ahead, give it a try, and I hope you feel as relaxed, as stable, you feel that positive energy as I do after this practice each and every time.